Hello guys, how are you all? I'm Kashmala Ahmed. Welcome back to my channel. कैसे हैं आप सब? Today I'm here to create this very romantic. It's very inspired by the Valentine's day, and it is very pinky, very romantic, very beautiful and very girlish. And so far I'm loving it. The lashes, the highlight, the lip color, the eye look. It is so on point and I am so happy with. And if you want to see how I created this look, then keep on watching. Starting off with Elysium Beauty Glow Serum. Now I'm using the Smashbox Photo Finish Primer to prep my T-zone. For some more hydration, I'm going to use the Max Strobe Cream. I'm going to use this on the high points of my face. Now I'm going to use the foundation. It's the Rida Zen Cosmetics Foundation Lifelike Foundation in the shade 6. I'm also using Beautify by Amna serum. It's their oil into the foundation. So far on the update of this foundation, guys, I am still liking it. I have to prep really well though, as you all can see. It's just because it is winters and my skin is really dry. लाइट आज कुछ ज़्यादा ही है, खिड़की के सामने हूँ और शुक्र अल्हम्दुलिल्लाह धूप आई भी है, इसलिए कुछ ज़्यादा ही ब्राइटनेस हुई भी है. As you all can see, my skin is showing as well. It's not like I'm wearing a very thick layer of foundation. I have thinned it out, especially using a oil as well, and the coverage of this foundation is medium. It is not a full coverage, so my skin is showing, but that's fine. I don't mind that. It's done. This spray. जब आपकी बहुत ज़्यादा ड्राई स्किन हो तो आफ्टर अप्लाइंग योर बेस क्या क्या करें आप कि इसको बहुत अच्छे तरीके कोई सा भी आप स्प्रे ले लें, ग्लो मिस्ट ले लें, सेटिंग स्प्रे ले लें, रोज़ वाटर भी ले लें, इट डजेंट मैटर, जस्ट मेक इट आउट वर्क. उसको स्प्रे करें और फिर दोबारा से push the products into your skin. बहुत नेचुरल लग रहा है, ऐसा लग ही नहीं रहा कि बहुत ज़्यादा कोई मैं फुल फेस ऑफ मेकअप कर रही हूँ. Now I'm using Luminous Silk Cream Powder by Note Cosmetics Junaid Jamshed in the shade Dark Honey 06. ओके गाइस, मुझे जहाँ जहाँ बेक करना था मैंने वहाँ अंडर आई पाउडर यूज़ किया है. आई हैव यूज वेरी हेविली अंडर द आईज बिकॉज आई वांट टू डू माय आई लुक नाउ and I don't want any fallout, so that's why it is a protective kind of a layer, you can say. And I have used a bit over here under my bronzer to clean out my face. For the eye look, I'm using the Huda Beauty New. These are the shades. It's a beautiful palette and it's perfect for a romantic kind of a eye look. It has all the pinks and mauves in it. I'm going to use the shade Teddy and use it all over my crease. It's a very neutral kind of a mauvey shade. It has some brown in it, it has some pink in it as well, and I'm using it all over my crease in a swiping motion and then in a circular motion. Now I'm going to do the same over this eye. पर जो भी लेफ्ट आउट है उसको मैं यहाँ पे भी ब्लेंड इन कर रही हूँ ताकि थोड़ा सीमलेस ब्लेंडेड लुक लगे. नाउ आई एम यूजिंग द शेड रॉ. दिस इज़ द शेड रॉ. इसको मैं अपने आउटर क्रीज पे ही रख रही हूँ, इनर क्रीज पे नहीं लेके जा रही हूँ. ठीक है, और पहले मैंने उसी ब्रश से किया. नाउ आई एम गोइंग टू यूज़ अ प्रिसाइज ब्लेंडिंग ब्रश. और उससे अपनी क्रीज को डीपन अप कर रही हूँ. Now I'm using a little bit of spank, very little, और इसको थोड़ा और डिफाइन कर रही हूँ. Guys, these shades are so good, I cannot even tell you. They blend in like a dream. Use the conceal shade. Now I'm going to use the shade Crave, and I'm going to use my finger with it. Now I'm using the shade Fantasy, और इसको समझ जाए I'm blending in, और इसको मैं blend in कर रही हूँ मैट शेड की, और जो मैंने इनर कॉर्नर पे मैंने अपने लिट पे लगाया है उसको मैं blend in कर रही हूँ, because it is a shimmer shade but closer to the shade of the crease. To add some dimension. Now I'm using a shader brush and using the same shade, which is Steady and Raw, and mixing it in and using it on my lower lash line. Guys, I'm back with my lashes on and my liner, and now I'm going to use some mascara on my lower lashes. Now guys, I'm going to use some MAC blush in Melba. I'm putting on some on my nose as well, because why not? It looks so pretty. And now I'm going to use highlighter from Hourglass, and basically mixing both the shades pink and the golden one together, and oh my god, guys, can you see this? It is looking so beautiful. Can you see this? Oh my god. Some on my nose. my god, so blinding. Again making a C shape. Can you see it? It looks so beautiful. I just can't get over it. It is looking so beautiful. Guys, can you see it? The glow? Oh my god. I just want to put it all over my face now. Why not use it this golden color and mixing it with the pink one on the to highlight my brow area. I'm using the same shade in the inner corners of my eyes. And voila, it's looking so pretty. Oh my god, ऐसा लग रहा है मेरा तो पूरा एक्सेंट ही चेंज हो गया ना, इतना कि मैं कोई खूबसूरत मुझे अपने आप लग रहा है. Wow. Now I'm using these two lip shades from Huda Beauty Demi Matte. The first one I'm using is Sheikha. It's a very bright mauve pink. As you all can see, it is a very bright magenta kind of a pink. And to tone it down, I'm going to use my favorite. You all know, I guess by now, it's Day Slayer. And I'm just mixing it in. Just in the center of my face. Not my face, my lips. Guys, this is the final look. I hope you all like this, and so far I'm really loving this look. I didn't think it would turn out to be so good, but I guess it is looking so good. Oh my god, this highlighter, guys, it is everything. I mean, it is looking so good, seriously. मैं बहुत ज़्यादा खुश हूँ, बहुत ही ज़्यादा प्यारा लग रहा है. और I have wore some jewelry as well, and I have blow dried my hair, and it is looking so good. Oh my god, I just cannot stop looking at my highlight. I have to stop it. So guys, this is the look for the Valentine's Day. I hope you all like it. Give this video a thumbs up, subscribe down below, and keep watching it. Take care. Bye bye.